GSL Powerwall Home Battery, an 48-volt 14.34 kWh LiFePO4 Lithium battery. Has more than 6,500 life cycles with 15 years warranty. It is UL 1973 and UL 9540 certified, matching with all 48-volt hybrid inverters. It can store energy, detect power outages and automatically become your home's energy source when the grid goes down. We equipped each battery with an independent building management system, BMS, so you can easily manage and monitor your system operation and grid response using the GSL app.